to subscribe!
I don't like bad dreams.
On a sunny day, Pororo and Crong were out fishing.
Oh. Wow! I've caught so many I've lost count. Oh!
Oh no! Crong has caught a big scary shark. Oh, Crong was having a bad dream.
Hey guys, hello!
Hello! Crong, why do you look so tired? A scary dream?
Yeah, Crong's been having bad nightmares lately.
What kind of nightmares?
Tell us about them, Crong.
Crong, Crong, Crong. Crong! Crong, Crong, Crong.
What? You were falling from the sky and there was a shark below you?
You must have been scared, Crong.
Crong, tell them about your other dream. What? The water won't turn off? What do we do? That's a really scary nightmare.
I don't like bad dreams.
Hey guys, I bet Tong Tong will know how to stop the nightmares.
He's right, Crong. Let's see if Tong Tong can help.
You keep having terrible nightmares.
Is there any way to stop them?
Wait right here a sec. Now, where did I put it? Here, it's magic tea. Drink this before bed, and you'll have happy dreams.
Thank goodness, Crong.
Goodbye.
Thanks, goodbye.
I'm sure Crong will dream happy things tonight. Oh dear. I gave him the wrong tea.
Night has fallen. Crong is getting ready to sleep.
Crong, try and get some good sleep tonight. Crong, Crong.
Crong,
Wake up, Crong.
you're such a sleepyhead.
Crong. 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 Crong, Crong.
Crong, we didn't get bigger, you shrunk.
Crong, let's play. Crong. Follow me.
Wow, this is fun.
Oh yeah.
Small Crong and his toy friends had a fun time playing together.
Crong. Oh. Oh? I guess I'll play with my ball. Yeah! Oh no! What's the matter? I wasn't kicking the soccer ball just now.
It was only a dream, but Crong was very upset.
Pororo! Crong! Hi, guys.
Eddie, what you got there?
Oh, this is a special. Oh, Crong, did you sleep all right? I thought as much, so that's why I came. This invention will help you, Crong. Ta-da!
What is this? Oh,
If you put this on and sleep, then you won't have nightmares anymore. Okay, go on and lie down, Crong. Just press this button, and you'll have a nice, relaxing sleep.
I hope this works, Crong. Oh. He's already sleeping.
I know, you're amazed by my invention.
Let's leave so that Crong can sleep.
Okay.
Sweet dreams, Crong.
Crong couldn't sleep because of the whirring sounds, so he took off the helmet.
It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, sunny and clear.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Me too.
Wish we had some food. Oh, I smell something yummy. Oh, it's coming from there. Yes! Wow! Look at that!
Wow!
Wow, there's so much food!
It looks delicious!
Oh, Crong, have some of this. It's super duper yummy.
Who goes there? Who ate all our lunch without asking first? Eh? Why are you holding that bread then? How dare you!
Hello?
Oh, but where's Crong?
Oh, thanks to my great invention, he's sleeping like a baby now.
You're saying we left you and ran away?
We would never, Crong. You must have had a bad dream again.
Hey guys,
Do you have an idea, Poby?
why don't we all sleep over at Crong's place tonight? If we're all together, he might not have a bad dream.
Wow, that's a great idea.
Yeah, okay.
Sound good, Crong?
That night, all the friends came over to help Crong sleep.
Crong, if you drink warm milk, it'll help you fall asleep. Here, Crong, I'll lend you Toto for the night. And I'll sing you a song.
Hey, Harry, instead of singing, wouldn't reading a story be better?
Suit yourself.
Yeah, he's right. A fairy tale would be nice.
A long time ago, there lived a prince in a small village. The prince was... Will Crong be able to have a good dream tonight?
As punishment for eating all of our food, you must stay there forever.
Hey, you! Let Crong go!
Let him go.
Or else what?
If you don't, then we'll say sorry.
We hope you enjoy it.
Is that food? Let's see.
You're free now, Crong. Let's get out of here. I'm so glad to see you, Crong. Why are you up so early?
Crong finally had a good dream, thanks to his good friends.